We fully accept that we're not the most famous Moses. So who are we? We are the Southwest's most creatively awarded agency. We're a 30-year-old startup, headquartered in Phoenix, experienced worldwide. We are idea capitalists, venture creatives. A band of misfits, square pegs, intellectuals, rebels, storytellers, and artists who wouldn't, couldn't work anywhere else. We produce results much bigger than we are. And we have more fun doing it than we should. We are pound for pound, dollar for dollar, the most effective agency you can find. Though we'd choose love over money if we needed to. We are courage for hire, instant nerve, and marketing cojones, with a soft spot for puppies. We have creativity in our blood, digital on our brains, and rock and roll in our hearts. We are one of the last independent renegade creative shops. Free from unnecessary rules, bureaucracy, and bullshit. A wholly owned subsidiary of no one. Now that you know who we are, we'd love to hear from you.